button holder, pendant holder, consulted metal box, power board, 2-pin plug top, 3-pin plug top, extension board, switch board, 2-pin socket, switch port indicator, 5-pin socket, 2-pin socket, fan regulator, ceiling bell switch, it can fuse, board fuse, one-way switch, bat switch, two-way switch, coupler, conduit pipe, saddle clamp, junction box, double nail saddle clamp, conduit saddle, elbow, conduit T, conduit bend, 4-way cross box, 3-way T box, 2-way angle box, 2-way throw box, flexible conduit pipe, screw anchor, night bulb, LED round panel light, main switch, remote control module, electronic choke, flat panel light.